Okay guys, I'm making the insert for this. About a 2-foot wide, 4-foot long, thin sheet of plywood, 1/2 inch thick, so it can be light. I don't want it to be that thick, so it can be light. I don't want it to be that heavy. So this is perfect. Some really good wood, and I'm cutting out pieces like you get a piece from a puzzle or something, and we're gonna make it work. Guys, we're getting it together. Still got a little bit ways to go to make this nice, to kind of contour what I want. Now I'm making the part that will go over this axle. I was gonna go to here, but I'm gonna go back here a little bit, maybe to here. So I have the distance from here to cover this axle up, because this rotates. This is a grease fitting, so this is where you grease it at. Steel will be able to just pull this cover off easily. So I may have to go back and get another sheet, because I have a long piece covering the sprocket. Okay guys, here we go. Get the insert done. It goes to the back there. Here, I left these gaps there because I wanted to look at the sprockets as the vehicle is going, just in case something happens. I can see I have a window. I was going to use this wire mesh to kind of make me a window here on both sides to look at the sprockets, to make sure they're okay. And I was going to curve this off some. I may just leave it like this, just an insert. I'm going to put some huge Velcro strips on the bottom. After we paint this, we're gonna pressure treat this. I'll be doing that next. And then I bought this giant rubber floor mat. It's a commercial floor mat. We're gonna cut this, put us a nice piece here, some strips along there, a strip along here, and a strip here. After we paint it, we're gonna pressure treat it first, so it won't, the wood won't rot if water get in here. And then we're gonna paint it black. Then we're gonna glue the rubber strips in. We're gonna cut this out real nice until there. And then we're gonna also add some large Velcro strips. One along here and one along there, so it won't have to be sliding. Well, it can't go anywhere, no way. You just got a little bit of space between there, so it can come out easily. But we just want to sit firmly in there. But yeah, that's all good. It's just perfect for what I need it for. And once that wood glue dry, it's not going anywhere. It's a nice foundation, so I can drive without worrying about my feet or a shoelace getting caught in those sprockets. You know, when you're driving this thing, you get whipped around back and forth and side to side, and you can't hold your balance in there like that. You're trying to keep your feet in the middle, and it's tough to do. And make one wrong move, and you can cause serious damage to yourself messing with these sprockets and that chain. That's turning extremely fast, so this is perfect. And this don't weigh much at all. So even when I'm adding just a little rubber strips, I shouldn't add that much weight into the vehicle. You got a almost 30 horsepower engine that's gonna move this thing with no problem. But yeah, we're gonna pressure treat it shortly, and then we're gonna paint it black, then add our rubber strips. But yeah, that's it guys, that's it. So there's a brace here for this shaft on the back and the front, so it stops right here, so it's back to back, so you don't have to worry about it shifting back and forth. But we still putting Velcro just in case you hit a bump. You got to worry about it lifting up out of here. So we're gonna put large Velcro strips underneath it to keep it secure from hopping up when you're driving. But yeah, this is it. And now I can build something here. I can put something here to hold this harness. I don't have to worry about this harness being snatched off by this rotation of this clutch. have it really nice here somewhere. You can put me something here now. I can use something here to brace it down. So now we got something. We got something, guys. We made it work. Not worry about the back sprockets, so you don't even see those. The seat covers those up. Just worrying about the sides. Now you got room to have fun in this thing. Okay, the wood has been pressure treated using this. This stuff is amazing. And just brush it on, let it dry out so it's ready to go. Now I'm just fitting all my rubber mats in place. I just cut everything out. They're not ain't nothing down yet. Just fitting everything in place. So I'm gonna paint this black, and then we're gonna glue these strips on. And also large Velcro strip here, small one in the back. Let me go right here. So it won't come up. This stuff has that 3M adhesive. This ain't going nowhere. Okay guys, it turned out pretty decent. Pretty decent. So we're gonna install it in here. Gonna do a little bit few things. Oh man, my Velcro popped up. Oh wow. This strip's still down. We gotta put some glue on this. So got me Velcro strips there, here, and I have to put it in. I just glued that one down. It was trying to come up. Okay, guys, looking real good. Just buckling everything down now. Look at that. That looks really nice. I just stepped inside of there. That looks nice, guys. That looks real nice. So I'm gonna run this line along here, the fuel line. I could have came straight out here, but there's a chance of it rubbing up against this axle, and I don't want that. So I'll just loop it through here. Run it under the seat, the shut-off valve. I can shut it off under the seat. Easy access, and that's all good for the fuel line. Like I said, I could have ran it even along the side there. Just didn't want to risk hitting that chain somehow. I could have easily ran it up under here, but this is fine. I have access to it. I don't have to worry about removing the seat and taking this whole insert out again. So I'm about to install the seat back, and then we're gonna finish up. I gotta put the headlight back in. Gotta put the headlight back in. That's it. I guess the next thing I'll be doing to this is fixing this little spot here. So I'll fix that. And I'll fix this. Alright, I just gotta put this light in now. And I gotta get a harness for this. One of those the harnesses that cover up the wires, make that look a little bit more better than it does. I'm gonna also fix this a little bit better. Got the line, they're gonna shut off. This actually looks really good in here now. The fuel line, I got it. A wire tied down there on the fuel line. And yeah, that's it. We're built, we're constructed. Now we're safe. We can drive safely now. So we're gonna get out with this thing. We're gonna test it out in the water. We're gonna see. Remember we upgraded the clutch. Curious to see how it's gonna be. Upgraded clutch. I fixed the throttle cable, so we got more power. New head gasket. Motor should be running really good and strong now. Just about to pop this bulb in, and that's it, man. That should be it. That should be it. Let's get in here. Pump it. Look at that. I'm secure. I got 1 foot here. I can just go now. I'm good now. I ain't worried about the chains. So now I can get in here comfortably, and I ain't gotta worry about nothing now. I ain't gotta worry about. I got room. It's firm. Rocking the vehicle. This ain't going nowhere. So I feel real comfortable like this now. When I put my feet down, son, I can go down and I'm comfortable. Got a little back support. Let me give you guys a good view of it. Okay, the next video is we're getting out. We're taking this thing out. It's ready as it ever gonna be, and it's time to turn up. It's time to take it up another notch with this thing, and on to the next. So I'm just gonna get a nice video footage of us doing some land, some speeding, and we're gonna get on the water. We're gonna go on the water. We're gonna find a little creek or a little pond or somewhere. Okay, guys, I just fixed this light. Get the light off. Just change the bulb. The old bulb is blown. Guys, this looks ideal, but there's really no way to get in here. That's too steep of a drop off. We won't be able to get back up. You found a nice little trail, guys. You got a nice little trail, man. I've seen something, man. We just taking a little stroll, man.